So welcome back guys, video number 41. In this video we are going to learn how to create footer in WordPress step by step. As you know, after the body part you need to create a footer. In footer, you whatever you want to display, your service, copyrights, Google map, okay, about your company, you can display. So let me log in my again WP and admin. We are going to create. So the process for footer, also go to templates section, add new, choose footer, enter footer, create. So header, Elementor offers you again lots of pre-designed footers, so you can choose whatever you want, but this only for the paid users. If you want to buy, you can buy. I'll share link with you, so through link you will get definitely a discounts also, but we are using a free of course, so we don't have any option. So just close it. We are going to create for our need. Suppose I want to create footer. So footer, like header, you should know what you are going to design, so just note down here about the company. In this session are important links, and here Google map. These three needs we want, and here we want. Okay, so same I'm going to design for you, just watch it. Here I want some content, so I edit text. Here I want my services, so same I can choose text. And here I want Google map, so just search map and drag your map. That's it. Okay, so this is about us. About company, so here you can add about company. Okay, here your important link. Like about us, contact us, services, reviews. What I can do, enter line all this. Okay, and we need to change, go to there, just click here this pencil icon and enter. So just that's it, India. Save. Same again, ask for conditions, entire website, save. Done. Now look at updated or not. Here your footer. Okay, more footer customization. What you can do, suppose I want to give a backend color, so I go to section, choose this classic. Want to give color, I can give this color. For that I want to give white color, I'll choose white. I want to choose white. Update and see. Now done. Same like this example what I have shared. Yeah, you can give even this. So how this possible? Same, choose, and let me see what is this. Same, only one. This, 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 and home, about us, contact us. be same like that. So guys, everything possible. What I am teaching you very simple and step by step. You just need to watch again and again, note down all the steps what I am sharing with you. So I don't want to like stress this video because it doesn't work long video. I want to teach you in a short way because we want to create a website in 2 hours. So we want to be a polish, we want to keep practicing again and again. So that's why I'm sharing with you best to best possibility with the shortcut ways. Hope you like this video, and I'll see you in next video.